Hello, my dear students of class 7th. Today I shall be providing you the answer of chapter number 17 effects of light. So as usual हम इसके exercise solve करेंगे. First question number 1, fill in the blanks. When the beams from the headlights of a car fall on an object in the night, the shadow called umbra and penumbra can be seen. B. During a lunar eclipse, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. During a solar eclipse, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. D. Various shades of color are seen in the sky at sunrise and sunset due to scattering of sunlight. Question number 2. Give reasons. First, space beyond the earth's atmosphere appears dark. Question 2b. We are able to read while sitting in the shade. Question 2c. We should not observe the solar eclipse without naked eyes. Question number 3. Give some examples of scattering of light that we come across in day-to-day life. Question number 4. Why is the shadow of a bird flying high not seen on the earth? Next, question number 5. Why is a penumbra not obtained from a point source? Question number 6. Answer the following questions in your own words. A. What is meant by scattering of light? Question 6b. Does the shadow really vanish in the zero shadow condition? Question 6c. Will the laser beam be seen if it passes through a glass box which contains a lighted incense stick? Question number 7. Discuss and write. A. Write a science-based paragraph on what if the sun did not rise. Question 7b. What efforts will you make to remove the misconception about eclipses? सूरज और चांद ग्रहण को लेके जो लोगों में अंधविश्वास है उसको आप कैसे रोकेंगे? Next question number 7c, various eclipses and the conditions during that period. See the next question, question number 8, explain the differences. So first one is point source and point sources and extended sources of light. So point sources of light में first है, it is that source of light which forms only the umbra region on the screen of the shadowed object. And in extended source of light, it is that source which forms umbra as well as penumbra region on the screen of the shadowed object. And second point of the source of light, example, a pinhole through which sunlight is entering is a point source of light. And the second point, example, sun is extended source of light. B, umbra and penumbra. In umbra, it is the part of the shadow where all of the light from the source is blocked by the shadowing object. And penumbra, it is the region around the umbra where the light from the source is partially blocked by the shadowing object. Umbra, it is formed using an extended source of light, and penumbra, it is formed using point source of light.